All right. So have you ever wondered if you can still get life insurance after having colorectal cancer?
Yeah.
Because I know I have.
Uh-huh.
And today we are going to do a deep dive into exactly that. We've got
Mm.
tons of research and expert opinions and all that good stuff
Yeah.
to break this down for you guys.
Right.
So,
A lot of people think that just because you have cancer, you can't get life insurance.
yeah,
That's just not the case.
not true at all.
Uh-huh.
So, from an insurance standpoint, how do these companies view someone who has had colorectal cancer?
So they want to get the whole picture, right?
Mm.
So they are looking at the stage and the grade of your cancer. So
Right.
how far it spread, how aggressive it was. They're also looking at the time since you've been in remission,
Uh-huh.
your treatment history, your overall health,
Yeah,
and they're basically trying to figure out
right.
the likelihood of it coming back.
I see.
Yeah,
So it's not just a yes or no kind of thing.
not at all.
Yeah,
Like if you have colorectal cancer,
right.
you can still get life insurance.
Right.
It just depends. Like if you're a young mom
Hmm.
and you were diagnosed early and you've been in remission for 5 years
Right.
and you're healthy and you're going to all your checkups, you could probably qualify for a standard rate
Wow.
or maybe just slightly higher.
That's really good to hear.
Yeah,
So there is hope,
absolutely.
right, for those in the early stages.
Hmm.
But what about
Yeah.
someone who has had a more advanced case of colorectal cancer?
That's when it gets a little more complicated.
Okay.
There are options like simplified issue and guaranteed issue policies.
Okay.
And the nice thing about those is that they usually don't require a medical exam.
It's good.
But the trade-off is that simplified issue often has higher premiums, like 10 to 30% higher
Okay.
than a fully underwritten policy
Right.
for someone with a history of colorectal cancer.
I see.
With guaranteed issue, on the other hand, you're guaranteed approval,
Okay.
but the premiums could be 50 to 100% higher.
Wow.
And there might be waiting periods.
Okay, hold on. What does that mean?
So that means like if the person passes away within a certain time frame,
Okay.
like the first 2 years of the policy, the beneficiaries might get a smaller payout.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So like,
It's kind of like if the death benefit was $100,000,
uh-huh.
the payout might only be $20,000 the first year,
Right.
and then it would go up each year until it reaches the full amount.
So it's almost like
Right.
different levels of car insurance.
Exactly.
Right.
You pay more, you get more.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And we've got fully underwritten,
Uh-huh.
simplified issue,
Right.
and guaranteed issue.
Yep. Okay. So
Those are the three main types of life insurance.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I guess my question is,
Mm-hmm.
wouldn't it be kind of a waste of money to do the guaranteed issue policy
Uh-huh.
if you were healthy enough?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
And that's why you need to talk to someone who knows what they're doing.
Right. Yeah.
What, an insurance broker or something like that?
Exactly. An insurance broker can help you figure out what the best option is.
Yeah, it's like having a guide
Right.
to help you out.
Yes.
And one of the things that we have here that we're looking at today
Yeah.
is from Diversified insurance brokers,
Right.
and they specialize in this kind of stuff.
That's right.
So besides just knowing
Mm-hmm.
all these different types of policies,
Mm-hmm.
are there things that people can do
Yeah.
to up their chances of getting approved?
For sure.
Yeah.
Like the main thing is to be healthy.
Right.
So get regular checkups,
Mhm.
manage any other health conditions you might have,
Right.
and just try to live a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
Because
the insurance companies are looking at everything.
they're looking at everything. Yeah.
Right.
So,
it might seem scary at first,
mhm.
but
Right.
really you do have options.
Yes, you do.
And the more you know, the better.
Knowledge is power.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So the main takeaway today,
Yeah.
getting life insurance after colorectal cancer,
Mm-hmm.
it is possible.
It's totally doable.
It's doable.
Yeah.
It might take a little extra work,
Uh-huh.
but it's worth it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that brings up a good point. Like,
Well-
how important is financial security and peace of mind to you and your loved ones?
Right.
You know, life insurance isn't just about numbers.
Yeah.
It's about protecting the people you care about.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
So that's all we have for today.
Okay.
That was our deep dive into life insurance
Right.
after having colorectal cancer.
It's possible.
It is possible.
Yeah.
Thanks for listening.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah. 25 family?